Hey everybody out there in internet land, this is Tom. I'm with the Real Estate Bros channel and I'm about to show you a really nice Heritage Glen. Come with me. This is a 2024 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 270FKS. Check out some of the cool features. You have an outside kitchen right out here in the front, pull-out griddle, small fridge. Power stabilizer jacks, pet tether, Goodyear tires, a little bit wider spacing than normal to get you tracking right going down the road. A lot better for stability. This model has a pass-through storage in the rear with 2 access points. Let's take a look inside. Lots of room up front with a square or rectangle farm style sink. 12-volt fridge and freezer. Fireplace with electric heater. 3-burner Furrion stovetop. Furrion microwave. All your controls right inside the door here. Pantry to the left of the walk-in door. Dinette that converts into a seating area. Theater seating to enjoy the nice flat screen television. Easy access to the corner shower with a glass door. And your commode. Second entry and exit from the main bedroom. This thing is also one of the only affordable travel trailers that is also pre-wired and plumbed for a washer and dryer back here in the bedroom. Both sides of the bed have an outlet and plug-ins for charging your phones and or CPAP. Windows on both sides of the bedroom slide to get some nice cross ventilation right there if needed. Plenty of room here in the closet. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was.